Since I went here last year during their soft opening, there's been a lot of changes already at Arid and Aroid's Bulacan Nursery. Primarily, this nursery houses Arid and Aroid's Aloe hybrids and Sansevierias. To this date, there's been hundreds of Aloe hybrids that came out of this nursery through the hybridization efforts of Boyd Ganigan and Doc J. Silvestre, the owners of Arid and Aroid. As you can see, aloes come in different colors, textures, and sizes. I personally like those with dark tones and pronounced texture. In aloe hybridization, the hybridizer considers a lot of factors when selecting aloes to hybridize: texture, color, flower, size. Sometimes their resistance to pests and adaptability to the environment are also considered. And look at these mother plants. They are truly showing their prowess. Their size. Look how many flowers they have. And there's actually a lot of seed pods too. Just like this one's. And look at those colors. They're really a show off. I think I'm starting to fall in love with them. From bright orange to purple to reds to bright greens. Here at Arid and Aroid's Bulacan Nursery, you'll never get enough of aloes. Just look at those. I could probably live here and stare at them all morning with my cup of coffee. Tired yet? There's still a lot going on here. And just look at this one. I'm gonna show you something very interesting like this. A pup going from a flower stalk. Interesting, huh? So I want to give you a view of the greenhouse. Just look at the expanse of this one. When I got here last year, this is not here yet. Really amazing. And finally, we're here at the Sansevieria, quote-unquote draceana area, wherein there's a lot of different hybrids of Sansevieria. Look at those variegations. Oh my gosh. Arid and Aroids are also known worldwide on their Sansevieria hybrids. Actually, most of the nurseries in Asia are being supplied by them. So Sansevieria lovers, hold your horses because there's still a lot to come. Look at this mother plant. And just like aloes, Sansevieria also come in different forms, sizes, texture. And you can propagate Sansevieria through leaf cuttings or top cuts. This is literally a plant treasure trove. I wouldn't want to be anywhere else, to be honest. Look at those variegations. Ah. I think, just in my opinion, Arid and Aroid produces top-notch, high-class Sansevieria hybrids. And you probably heard it in the news, actually, that 10 million plant is a product of Arid and Aroid's hybridization. Could this be their siblings? Just look at those. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank Sir Boyd Ganigan and Doc J. Silvestre for working hard and bringing the best Sansevieria hybrids to the world. And it just never stops. Oh, look at this amazing one. Curls, straight lines. Oh, amazing. Guys, if you want to see more of this, please follow Arid and Aroid's Nursery on Facebook and also subscribe to Arid and Aroid's media here on YouTube. So you think we only have aloes and sansevierias? Well, I stumbled upon this agave table. So look at those. Different agave types. Or varieties, should I say. Sorry about that. Sorry if I'm not giving you the IDs because there's just a lot. It won't fit on this video. I don't want you to watch an hour-long video, but I hope you are liking this one. Really awesome, huh? We have some Kelly Griffin hybrids here. So I'm going to leave you guys on this clip. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button on this YouTube channel so you can get more updates. And also follow me on my Facebook page, Jello Sanctuary, and Instagram, Jello Sanctuary. Until next time, plant buddies, I hope you enjoy this tour and happy planting. Bye!